Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a wonderful winter's day, heading to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino today. I stay there quite a bit. They're very nice to me over there at the Hard Rock. And I pretty much split my time up between the North Tower and the South Tower. However, going back over my videos, I seem to show you the North Tower rooms more so than the South Tower. So today we're going to head over to the South Tower. I'm going to do a room tour. Then we're going to head over to the pool. I don't show you the Hard Rock pool that often, and it's not the greatest pool in Atlantic City, I'm going to be honest with you, but I'm going to show it to you and you can give me your opinion near the end of the video. And this is pretty much going to be a nice extensive tour. I'm going to show you the parking garage when I pull in, and then we'll head over to the registration area and eventually up to the room and then over to the pool. So you ready? Let's go check out the South Tower at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City. Let's check it out now, shall we? Coming up on the left is the reward card services area, and you'll see all the kiosks on the left hand side, and that's one of the first things I do when I come to the Hard Rock. I leave the parking garage, and before I check in I head over to those kiosks to see what kind of rewards I got, and usually they're giving something away, or there's a nice dinner comp, or money towards a dinner I should say kind of comp, or some free play or something like that. So when you get to any hotel and casino, always check those kiosks as soon as you get there. Hold on tight. While the Hard Rock doesn't have any self-check-in kiosks, and the line is usually pretty long, this place is quite popular, I do have to say that the registration area is always fully staffed with friendly staff members, and this line moves very quickly. So don't be discouraged if you see a long line. You won't be on it very long. Alrighty, so it looks like I'm in room 4004 in the South Tower. That's a nice high floor. Just a note for you guys, if you ever plan on staying at the Hard Rock, if you're in the North Tower, it makes no difference what floor you're on with regards to elevators. This elevator service in the North Tower is fine. However, in the South Tower, which is actually the old Taj Mahal Tower, you're going to find that if you're on the lower floors, it's going to take quite a while, especially during checkout, to get an elevator. And every time you do get one, it's going to be pretty much jam-packed. So if you're staying at the South Tower, always ask for a higher floor just for the sake of the elevators. And again, it's usually just an issue during checkout time. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And shout out to Shayna and Scott Stover, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Flamingo Hotel and Casino Tour. Congratulations, Shayna and Scott. Another mascot hunting couple here on the New York channel. Good eye, guys. I don't know if you noticed, as soon as we got off the elevators, we were greeted by a huge portrait of Beyonce. It doesn't matter whether you're in the South Tower or the North Tower, as soon as you get off those elevators, you're greeted by some type of rock royalty. And in this case, we are on Beyonce's floor. Looks like the Queen Bee is going to be entertaining us for the rest of the evening. Don't forget to stay tuned, because after we're done with the room tour, we'll go downstairs and check out the pool. A lot of people ask me whether I like the North Tower or the South Tower better, and to be quite honest with you, they're both fine. They're both comfortable, they're both clean. The South Tower does have a sofa, the North Tower usually doesn't, but the North Tower does have floor-to-ceiling windows, so that's nice also. Also, keep in mind the North Tower is quite a walk from the regular, hotel and casino area, so keep that in mind if walking is an issue for you. But with regards to me, it really doesn't matter. Again, as long as I don't get a low floor on the South Tower, I'm happy no matter where they put me. On this particular stay, this room at the South Tower was comped, and I do like to be transparent about that on the Yawk channel. So yes, it was comped, and I want to thank Hard Rock for the room today. Thank you so much, guys. Over the weekend, I mentioned in the New York community room that the Ocean Casino Resort was getting a brand new helipad. They never had one before. And someone asked if the Hard Rock had one. And if you look at the parking garage to the right, if you pause the video, that's the Hard Rock's parking garage. And on the roof of it, you'll see a little pad that has a big H on it. That's the Hard Rock's helipad. As you can see, I'm on the tippity top floor here on the South Tower, and we'll get a better look at that helipad in just a second. Be careful, if you walk around this joint with blinders on, you're going to miss a lot of the details, like all the guitars in the bedding. Alrighty, let's head downstairs and check out that pool and deck area like I promised, shall we? Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.